Heroes Assembly, head down see Africa, who is my name, the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Still on COVID-19 outbreak across the world. Why is WHO, I'm talking about WHO now, why is WHO against the drug from Madagascar? This is a question we need to ask ourselves. Why is WHO against the CVO from Madagascar? At a time like this, that COVID-19 has rendered many economy useless, it has claimed more lives, many lives, it is still claiming. Up to this moment, so many countries are still on lockdown. And a country like Madagascar came up with a drug that can help cure this disease. Instead of WHO to encourage this small country from the island called Madagascar, they begin to bash them, saying it is not clinically approved, it is not scientifically certified, and what have you. Is being clinically approved or scientifically recognized the main issue here, or is working? If they are using it in Madagascar and they are yet to record any death, any casualty whatsoever, they are yet to record it, and this has been proven because they have it in on their streets, they have it very close to the market, people go there, they take a cup of it, and it's a proven fact that it's working. Because it is a herb coming from Africa doesn't mean it's not working. But who continue to bash Madagascar, they continue to bash whomever is coming with any herb, or citing that it is not clinically approved. Now, let's go back, memory lane a little bit. I'm not taking you far. Let's just go back to Ebola. Didn't WHO approve a particular drug for Ebola that did not work? Let's start from there. If WHO could approve a drug for Ebola, and the said drug, after all the clinical nonsense they claimed, still did not work, are we now to trust WHO before taking the CVO from Madagascar? Countries like Guinea-Bissau, Senegal, South Africa have keyed into it. Even Nigeria, as of today, I read it on the news, have now also requested for their own portion of it. Why is WHO not giving Madagascar a chance? Why not giving them a benefit of doubt? Their president came online and to consume it, just to tell the world that it is edible. How come WHO is seeing Africa as a whole as one big jungle that have nothing good to offer? Are we not humans in Africa? Even if they are trying to rewrite history and hide many things from the glaring eyes of many, is it not obvious to those who can read that everything started from Africa? Why is WHO seeing us as if we are less human, therefore nothing good can come out from Africa? This is completely wrong. And that's why I'm begging every country that has requested for the CVO, don't let these people force you into saying that it is not working. It has been working in Madagascar, it's working in Senegal, in Guinea-Bissau, as I speak to you, is working. Nigeria should not be an exception. Let's no politician or political or international bodies force you to say it's not working. It is working. If it is working there, it must work here, because we are all Africans. Why is it that these people don't even think that anything good can come out of Africa? At the time where people are dying, even if we are waiting for the vaccine, before they can get vaccine now, it will take at least a year and a half or two, if I'm not mistaken. While we are waiting for the vaccine, why not encourage the use of the drug so that those who are infected can be cured? Then we begin to wait for the vaccine. Then when vaccine come, we can now say, okay, oh, we are taking vaccine so that we be immune to it. After all, in Africa, we have malaria everywhere. Yet, we don't have vaccine for malaria, but we have drugs for malaria. Those who are infected with malaria today, they take the drug, they are okay. When else they are infected, they take it again. So why is WHO against the CVO from Madagascar? Is it a crime that the cure for COVID-19 is coming from Africa? This alone is enough for our African leaders to begin to retrace their relationship with the so-called Oyinbos. Yes, I call them Oyinbos because even those who are blacks, who are Africans that are doing the biddings of their ogas that are Oyinbos are also Oyinbos. They may be dark skinned, yes, but they are Oyinbos because they are not doing any bidding that favors us as Africans. Why is WHO against something as good as this? Must everyone die while waiting for the said vaccine from Oyinbos? It's just like saying 5G is not good because it's coming from China. Is it the fault of China that European country or those in America couldn't come up with a 5G as good as that of China? What exactly is the problem with these bodies? I seem not to understand. The same WHO that approved a drug that did not work for Ebola is now condemning a drug that is working, proving that is already proven here in Africa, telling us, citing all sort of using BB grammar, telling us all sort of rubbish. And believe me you, if any of those who are supporting WHO here in Africa is infected with COVID-19, including those doctors that are telling you that it is clinically this, is clinically that, if any of them is infected with COVID-19 today, they will go behind door, close door, to take that same app that they are condemning openly. I'm not surprised anyway, because it is common in Africa here for us to promote anything that is not ours. And that does not erase the fact that when we've been battered here and there, we know when to suspend our belief in all this foreign whatever and go by our own way of traditional method of doing things. That's the truth. It's annoying. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all. Because if everyone is given this drug, all those who are infected, if they are given this drug and they take it and they are ill, then to save us the stress of this one number so casualty, so casualty. By so doing, those working on the vaccine can peacefully work on the vaccine. Then whenever it is ready, those who feel they want to be immune to it can go and take the vaccine. Why condemn what you've not even tested yourself? Are those using it in Madagascar not human? Even the president has taken it. Why is WHO condemning the cure for COVID-19? Because it is from Africa. If this thing is coming from England, if it is coming from USA, Germany or Italy, I am very sure WHO will not even wait before giving it out to people to consume so that they will get well first, because they will make more money from it. But it is from Africa. Money will not be made from it. So therefore, it must be condemned. In whatever way possible, it must be condemned. What is the problem of WHO and those controlling WHO? What is your problem? I'm putting it directly to you. What is your problem? What exactly is the problem? If a phone is made in USA and somebody in Nigeria needs the phone, is it a crime for somebody in Nigeria to have it? If it is made in Nigeria and it is useful for somebody in England, what is the essence of making it if it's not for the benefit of humans? Then something that is benefiting human race is being condemned now because it's from Africa. There's a need for you all to live, to come down from the horses of pride and ego and come to terms with reality. The world is fast changing and things are moving around. It's about time you begin to recognize the fact that Madagascar has been blessed to have the cure. There's no two ways about it. Even if any country come up with the cure today, it does not change the fact that the first was discovered in Madagascar. This is just what I have to say. Please tell me what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to share with friends. If you like to subscribe to our channel, please subscribe. Just click on the red subscription and subscribe button. That is all. On the icon rather, just click on it. That is all. It does not cost you any extra charges. Until I come your way next time, head down South Africa, who is my name, the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Bye for now.